It's 2 in the morning. No, I'm kidding. It's 7:45 a.m. and content creation is no easy job. Also complaining about a newfound pimple before moving on. Okay, so today we have an oversized skirt that I thrifted for the work on it. But it cannot even be a maternity wear with these worn out elastic. So unlike how I usually upcycle, let's just make this skirt look better. First, I marked the measurement I needed at the waist and pinned it. I then found out that the skirt had pockets and got on a mission to save them. Then I used my diary to mark out sections of the skirt to be cut out, which was actually a big chunk. Next, I cut out the marked parts which had a lot of work on them. I want to make the skirt high-waisted, so let's attach a zipper. I messed up the zipper at first, but I have good patience, so I tried again. Wait to see what I did with the pockets while I put a slit on the skirt. There it is with the secured slit, and let's try it on. That's the final result. So I brought the back to the front for the pockets and the slit. Now how to use the pockets, you ask? Right hand for the left pocket and left hand for the right pocket. You might think it's too hard, but it's not. Now the skirt lets me move freely, store essentials, and has a great silhouette. What's left is an amazing piece that I can work with and wait to see what I turn it into. Also, comment what you think I should make with it. Thank you for watching.